Y'all coming with me on a glam transformation. Excuse my bed in the back. I'm washing my sheets and stuff. I cleaned my room last night and I didn't get that part. But y'all coming with me. Y'all see I'm looking tall. And my nails, I gotta change my nail color to white or nude. My hair, cornrows. I'm going to get that done today. What else? Oh, I get my makeup done by my niece, Naya Prigo. That's gonna be Saturday. Today is Thursday. Today, all I'm doing is steaming my bridesmaid's dress because I'm in a wedding. I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm in a wedding, and I gotta steam it. I already got it altered so I can, fit this body of mine. My sister might do my nails because she do nails. My hair, I might vlog before and after, you know, yeah. Stay tuned to see the finished look. Let's get into it. I never seen the dress before, but can y'all see this thing? Oh yeah, y'all can see it like right here. Okay, so this is the dress. Let me see, I'm gonna turn it light. My nephew had a birthday party like a few days ago, so the room is still looking like the birthday party. So this is the dress. I've seen most of it. As you can see, it's no wrinkles on this side. And I got my slit down there, so this is the other side, the slit. Yeah. I did all this. I'm gonna go back over. I see I got a line through it. Then again, it's probably just the water from the steam. So yeah, I gotta finish doing that, and I'm gonna show y'all my gift I bought my nephew. It's so cute. So I did kind of like the color theme. How y'all be having the color theme parties and stuff. So I did mini Doritos. He got hella Nerf guns, so I bought him a Nerf slingshot, a Sonic blanket. This picture is on that blanket. I got him some Gatorade, Oreo. He loves Oreos. I think I bought him a pack of. No, I didn't. Airheads, and he has Sonic headphones and a Sonic lamp. So, yeah, rich on teeth. I lie. I'm really broke, but I just had to do something nice and, for him, being that I was at Bayou Classic and couldn't make it. So, had to get him right real quick. So, I'm about to steam my dress. Y'all are going to be with me through that. That's all I have to do for today. I got work to do as well. I know y'all don't want to see me do no doggone work, but I got hella work to do. Finals week coming up. I got projects that need to be turned in. So that's gonna be it for today.
They can't sleep no more. They're hungry. The new folks say right there.
Hey y'all, hey, so here are the bridesmaids. We're making a toast to the bride and the groom. No sound because it was playing music in the back, but we toast to their matrimony and having a good night in general.